All right, here we are in Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to show you how to make a hollow fill or hollow letters. So it's going to have just a stroke around the outside, and then we can even make that stroke into a fill. I'll show you that. Sounds confusing, but it won't be in a second. So first of all, to get full control over this, you can see this is live type, so I can still change that, but I'm going to go up here to type, and I'm going to pull down to create outlines. Now it's broken up into individual objects. And I'm also just going to ungroup them. That way I can move them around individually. I don't need to, but it helps later down the road. So I've got this selected. Now I'm just going to simply go to my stroke and fill, which I have here in my color palette. You also have it right here on the bottom of your toolbar. Click on the stroke, and now I can give the stroke a color up here. Ready? I'm just going to go with red so we can see it. And it is small, so I'm going to go to Window, pull down to Stroke. And just so you know, there's options here, just lots of the cap and the corners and stuff, but we don't need that for now, but I'm going to bump this up like that. And now we go back to our fill and we hit this white box with a red slash through it here, boom. And it's also over here. So both of those are here, and your color palette is just Window, and you pull down the color, boom. And so now we have the hollow stroke. Like I said, I can put a background back there. Watch this. I'm going to quickly change this to be black, and I'm going to move it into the back. And now you can see that it truly is hollow. I'm going to lock that black so we can see it. See that? So this is, what I said it was is hollow, but one more thing here. I'm going to undo that and just unlock that, get this. I want to show you this one more trick. This is still a stroke you can see here, right? So let's go ahead and make it into a fill. The stroke into a fill, like I told you when we started this. I got this selected. I'm going to go up here to Object. I'm going to go to Path. I'm going to go to Outline Stroke. Now what you see there, see that? It just went from, I'm going to undo it. It's a stroke, right? Like an outline, and then I'm going to redo it. Now it's a fill. So see this? It's a fill in our color palette too, in our color tool. So now by changing just the fill color to black, it says change it. So it's no longer a stroke. You can actually add a stroke to this now. Watch this. Let's add a red stroke to that. And then I'm going to make it a little bigger so we can see. A little too big. See that? So that is hollow text. Hopefully that helped. If it did, hit like, leave me a comment. Thanks.